Morning guys, this is Wiltshire Rider here. What a gorgeous day today, Bank Holiday Friday. And today we are going to do my rear brake disc. So, in my previous videos I've explained that this was sticking. This brake here, caliper was sticking. So we have now changed the master cylinder here. And this is working a lot better now. So this, when the forks compress down, this pushes this and it activates the back caliper. Now that master cylinder was so gunked up, I think it was just sticking on, and that was making the back brake stick completely. So what we're going to do today is we're going to whip the wheel out, going to change this disc, and if I've got time today, I'm also going to take the front caliper off on the other side, give it a good clean, and put it back on. I think I'm going to have to buy some new front brake pads as well. So for now, we're going to start on the rear disc. Wish me luck. Okay, so job number one is to get my ginormous spanners, which I got from a charity shop, believe it or not, and we're going to loosen off the rear spindle. So there's no suspension on the back, remember, because that's been taken off. I'm waiting for a new one to come. So we're gonna, that's the one. Undo the back nut. There we go. Locking that on this side, and then I'm gonna release the chain tension. Let's get this off. One thing I have forgot is my trusty tray. I don't like leaving things on the floor because I lose them. So let's loosen off this chain tension. Screw this right in. I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's amazing how filthy everything is actually after the winter. That's it. So then we're going to tap out that spindle with a good old-fashioned rubber mallet. Out it comes. And then hopefully this will just come out. What I need to do is lift the back wheel a bit, or just get that out. That's it. Cool. Now, that's it. So how am I going to do this? What do I need to do? Firstly, I need to lift the swinging arm out of the way. How am I going to do that? Firstly, I need to take the chain off. That would help. So now, there we go. That's the chain off. Then we need to get this off of here. So let's get those spacers. There's spacers in between. There's one. Just going to get in the brakes there and ease off the caliper. Should have done that first of all actually. And then that will just come off like that. And then that will come out like that. There's another spacer on this side. So that's the way the spindle goes in. One spacer, two spacer and nut. That'll do. That still looks quite clean in there. I need to buy some grease to put on the back of the pads. And let's whip this out. We're ready to get the way. So, is it just one crack? There it is. I don't know if you can see it, but there's one crack there, and I think that's it. So, gonna take this off now. So first of all, turn this around. I'm gonna whip this off. So I don't actually. Well, actually, no, I don't need to take that off. I'll leave that on, and we're gonna put something on the floor to rest the wheel on, like so. It would seem I need new rubbers as well. So those are cushion rubbers that sit in there, and when this goes around, if it was metal to metal, it would obviously create a lot of damage in there. So these do exactly what they say, they cushion it. So that came out, probably because I banged it with a hammer. So that can all go in my tray. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lay this down. Brilliant. Okay. So as always, I've got my trusty dirty rag. So, gonna not do that. I'm gonna undo these, whip this off, and put the new one on. Here we go.